Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So Guy took the trip from Canada to train with us for a few days. He actually rode down on his bike. He came down from Quebec, Canada. It was an 8-hour trip for him. He actually rode down on a street glide. He really wanted to learn tuning. He's got a small shop out there, and then he just wanted to be able to step up his game. So of course we started with his bike, sounding pretty good when he brought it down. And then once we showed him some tricks, let him retune his own bike, got it to sound a whole lot better, especially in the mid bass. So he's one of the better students that we've had so far because he's got a lot of experience. He knows these Harleys really, really well. So I put him on my 19 Road Glide shop demo bike, had him cut the bags, port the bags. We didn't seal these, so we went with the NVS Audio 10s, Nagy 10-inch rings, Euphoria Expert port kit, and decided to leave these open, not sealed, because we already have 2 or 3 demo bikes that are sealed and ported, so I want one that was not sealed but still ported with 10s. So this is a 4-speaker bike the way I designed it. So I have Bema coaxes in the fairing, Sound Digital 1200.2, Sound Digital 3000.1 Evo X2 also in the fairing, using a Lex rack, HCAM Mini DSP, NVS Audio T harness, all NVS Audio wiring and RCAs, and it came out pretty good. Check out his build. He helped us with a few other bikes, helped us in the wood shop. He said he's definitely coming down. He's going to spend more time next time. He was impressed with our setup and how we do things, and he wanted to learn more. But if you're in his area, definitely reach out to him. He is talented. Carlos Ramirez, owner of NVS Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. Guy took the 8-hour trip from Quebec, Canada to New Jersey to train with us for a couple of days. Was it worth the trip?
Yes, absolutely.
You coming back again?
Yes, absolutely.
All right, if you guys are in the area, definitely stop by for all your Harley needs. He will take care of you.